Hello everyone, in this video I want to tell and, most importantly, show by example the marketing advantages. Our new 360 interactive booklet, made in the virtual open house format, which opens up unique opportunities for sales of luxury real estate. Let's start with the marketing benefits of searching for buyers, search and remote display of properties. It is necessary to immediately note a very important marketing advantage that all presented booklets have: they are all made in the virtual open house format. This means that a Realtor Expert can arrange, for example, on social networks or through mailing lists, remote meetings with clients in a video conference with a guided inspection of objects right inside the interactive booklet. Guided inspection. This means that a Realtor Expert can show clients various premises from his office, turn on audio clips of avatars with explanations, open markers of defects and advantages, turn on videos and view technical inspection reports. Everything that the realtor will show from his office will be seen by all clients participating in the remote showing. Right there during the inspection, clients can ask questions and receive answers from the expert or answers from the included realtor's avatars. Now about new marketing for finding buyers. From such interactive booklets you can create personalized interactive catalogs and transfer them to agent partners in different countries with personal contacts for each partner, along with such a catalog, a package of legal documents guaranteeing receipt of commissions, the CRM system and access to Google Analytics of views of the interactive catalog will be transferred. Our interactive catalog can work with the buyer in automatic interactive mode. It has built-in avatars of realtors and experts who speak in their voices about the advantages and disadvantages of elite properties. And inside the premises there are technical inspection markers, floor plans, maps and information tables. Therefore, such catalogs can be transferred to professional partners, real estate agencies in different countries, and then their realtors will be able to make remote meetings with buyers directly at the sites. In addition, our interactive catalogs can be transferred to non-professional partners, that is, any companies and individuals who have contact with potential buyers. These could be bloggers on social networks, hotel managers, owners of yachts, and golf clubs, that is, all those who communicate with a wealthy target audience of potential buyers. We invite the owners, sellers of their real estate, as well as real estate agencies and individuals who want to become our partners in creating such interactive catalogs and participating in the sales of luxury properties.